Withdrawing money from your Revolut account after an account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have completed any necessary account verification processes. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section of the app. This is where you can view your available balances and manage your funds. Step 3. Select the currency. Choose the currency you want to withdraw from. Tap on the specific account balance to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may need to complete additional security checks, such as entering a code sent to your phone. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates on the transaction status.